Are you say you stay?
Yeah, man, around there, so we're gonna stay.
Okay, so you live with your family?
No, I live with. My day after the weekend. I got my real house Monday. Yeah. So, what you do around here?
Well, my here just live right round the road from here.
Yo, you just huh?
Yeah. How?
Well, usually woman go hairdresser and man go barber.
The girl will do my ear then Tony.
Well, that's so better. Cause me gonna ask you why your ear looks so mad.
I pulled it out to get it done.
You pull it out? Or a next girl pull it out?
I asked one of my sister in them to pull it out for me Tony.
Huh, okay.
Is what? Tony and talking my no?
Sorry. That's so much different money make with me.
But now nobody for pull it out, so I have to ask a friend.
You know what some of the ear do?
I never know that. So, how much that charge me to do my ear?
Well, more the charge you carry.
So Tony, you can't do it for me?
I couldn't do it today because we don't really want to use your name side.
Cool. So from now on, you're going to be my hairdresser.
When me have the time, Karim.
Alright. That sounds good. Hey, never let that girl do my hair, yeah? I can't stay long.
Alright. Look here. You come here.
Yes, Tony.
Tell her to don't stay long here.
I will.
What was the day here, you know?
I know that. Where did my girl?
What do you mean? We are that about?
You bring a man come at the woman's house.
Whisper. Who you attack? Karim?
Tony, let me tell you something. Boss is a private woman. She tell you the type of work what she do. She confide in you. She don't want nobody to know which part she rests